So y'all know everything always come back in style, and the French rolls is back. So if you want to see how I got this soft and messy French roll, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and pressed hair. I'm combing everything. Then I take my Got to Be Free spray and put a light layer everywhere because, again, this is a soft and messy French roll. This is not no stiff spritz French roll. After I spray my Got to Be, I set it in place with my blow dryer and then get to putting these bobby pins in towards the middle of her head. I don't go in a straight line. I actually go in like a X or zigzag motion. And then when you get to the top, you want to pin that bobby pin with the prongs facing downward so that it's not sticking out of the French roll. So now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side that I just did to this side. I'm getting it prepped for when I wrap it around my filler piece. So this is just made out of braiding hair wrapped into a hairnet, and I secure it on the head with bobby pins so that it stays on the head and it don't move while I'm molding the hair around it. Now I'm just combing the hair over the filler piece and making sure that everything is covered. I start from the bottom and work my way up, bobby pinning. I did try to tuck it with the rat tail of this comb, but it didn't work. So I just set the bobby pins on the side of it and try to push it into the filler piece. And again, I'm just working up slowly and surely. Every step, every couple inches, I'm putting in a bobby pin. Sometimes they overlapping just to make sure that it's secure, but it's coming out pretty fast. And I'm also pushing the ends of the hair up so that it's not just laying on the side of the French roll. This is how the French roll is looking. I'm going to go in and do my final steps, which was curling her bangs. She is so scared that I'm going to burn her. But I also use a piece of a bundle. I curled that up and then attached it to the top of the French roll with bobby pins to create the little messy curls. And this is how it turned out, y'all. I think it's so cute. It's soft and messy. And y'all, these French rolls is back. So go ahead, get y'all one. I would love feedback as well. So like, share, comment, and subscribe.